Good morning, class third. Yesterday we have done word meanings and question answers, and today we will do read the sentences and answer the questions. Okay, so read the sentences and answer the questions. Means in this we have to read a sentence. A sentence is given, we have to read it, then we have to find out its question answers. Okay, like your first sentence is, now who could be out on such a night as this, thought the old king's servant. So you have read in the chapter, I have explained you all that there was a stormy night and someone was knocking at the door, and then the servant meaning, I have told you before that the meaning of servant is the worker who works for his the king. Okay, so he just thought that who is knocking at the door at this night, means now who could be out on such a night as this, means who can come out at this night. Okay, he was thinking that when someone was knocking at his door. So from this, the question number 1 is, what kind of night was it? What kind of night was it? It was a stormy night, no? And it was a scary night. I have explained you in the chapter that the night was very stormy, very unpleasant, and something like dreadful storm came, right? So the answer would be, it was a scary night and there was a dreadful storm. Okay, so just take the screenshot, pause the video, and note down these questions. Note down each and every questions. Okay. It was a scary night. It was a scary night and there was a dreadful storm. I have written in a cursive writing. Okay, so I will, if you are not able to understand it, then I will spell it each and every word. So listen to me and note down. What? Question number 1. What? W-H-A-T. Capital W. Kind, K-I-N-D. Of, O-F, of. Night, N-I-G-H-T. Night. Was, W-A-S. Was. It, I-T, it. Okay. What kind of night was it? So the answer is, it was a scary night. It, capital I-N-T, it was, W-A-S, was. It was a scary, S-C-A-R-Y. Scary means something very frightened or afraid night. Okay, scary, S-C-A-R-Y, scary. Night, N-I-G-H-T, night, N-I-G-H-T, night. And, A-N-D, and there, T-H-E-R-E, T-H-E-R-E. Okay. Was, W-A-S, was a dreadful, D-R-E-A-D-F-U-L, dreadful, unpleasant, okay, or sad storm, S-T-O-R-M. Storm means when there is a thunder, lightning, and rain, these all things are there, then it is called storm. Okay. Now, question number 2. Who did the king's servants see? Who, 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 did, 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 the, 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 kings, 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 and it's a apostrophe S. Apostrophe S means ka, ki, ke. Alright? Don't use without apostrophe S. Kings. If you will write kings, then it means plural of king. Alright, so apostrophe S is important here. It is essential. It is very important. Okay. Servant means the worker C. Servant SERVANT. SERVANT. Servant C. SEEC. Okay. So your question is, who did the king's servant see? Okay. So when someone was knocking at the door, I have explained you earlier. So the question is that when he opened the door, the worker of the king, when he opened the door, then whom he saw at the gate? Yes, think whom he saw. Alright. Start writing answer number 2 or answer number 2. And your answer is the kings. 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 Again, you have to use apostrophe S in king. Servant SERVANT. Saw. Okay. One most important thing. Whenever you write the answer, what you do, in question, its first form is used. Okay. But when you give the answer, give the answer of that question, then the verb's second form will come. And what is verb? This is your homework. Just learn from anywhere. I will explain you, but this is your homework. Learn the definition or just understand what is verb. Okay, so the king's servant saw. See will turn into your saw. See is a verb. Okay, it's an action now. So see is a verb, and it's written. See will turn into saw. Princess PRINCESS outside the gate. Okay. So when someone was knocking at the gate, and the servant was thinking that who can come in this stormy night, who can come here at this night. So when he opened the door or gate, then what he saw, what the servant saw, he saw a princess outside the gate, isn't it? So note on this answer number 2. The king's KINGS, king's servant SERVANT, servant saw SAW, saw a princess PRINCESS, princess outside OUT, outside SID, side, the gate, GATE, gate. Okay. Again, question number 2 and answer number 2. Okay. Who did the king's servant see? Who, 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 did, 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 the, the, king, 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 apostrophe S, kings. Servant, 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 C, and then question mark. Don't forget to put question mark or full stop wherever it is needed. Don't forget that. The, the, and please use capital letter when the first sentence you write it should be, and the first alphabet should be in your capital letter. First word's alphabet should be in capital letter. The kings, K-I-N-G-S, kings. Servant, S-E-R-V-A-N-T, or if you want you can write worker. Okay, you can use synonym which you feel that it's easy, and you can use those synonyms. Okay, the king's. Servant, saw, S-A-W, saw. A princess, P-R-I-N-C-E-S-S, princess. Outside, O-U-T, out. Side, S-I-D-E, side. The, T-H-E, the, gate, G-A-T-E, gate. Once more. Who did the king's servant see? And in this, W should be capital. Okay, W-H-O. Who did, D-I-D, did, the, T-H-E, the, king's, K-I-N-G-S, apostrophe S. Don't forget to put apostrophe S. Servant, S-E-R-V-A-N-T, servant, C-S-E-E-C, question mark. Answer number 2, the, T-H-E, and here also T should be your capital. You can see this, it's written in cursive writing, and this is your T. Okay, the, T-H-E, the, kings, K-I-N-G-S, kings. Servant, S-E-R-V-A-N-T, servant. Saw, S-A-W, saw. Or princess, P-R-I-N-C-E-S-S, princess. Out, O-U-T, out. Side, S-I-D, side, outside. The, T-H-E, the, gate, G-A-T-E, gate. Alright, so the kings, K-I-N-G-S, kings. Servant, S-E-R-V-A-N-T, servant. Saw, S-A-W, saw. Or princess, P-R-I-N-C-E-S-S, princess. Outside, O-U-T, outside, S-I-D-E, side. The, T-H-E, the, gate, G-A-T-E. Okay, once again we will repeat this, but from this sentence, which sentence is given. Okay, so your A number, read the sentence and answer the question. Means we have to read the sentence and then we have to answer the question. So the first sentence is see how I have written. I have written in inverted commas, right? So you should also write in a inverted comma, and your first alphabet should be capital, as I have told you before. So now, N-O-W, now. Who, W-H-O, who. Could, C-O-U-L-D, could, B-E-B, out, O-U-T, out. On, O-N, on. Such, S-U-C-H, such. A, night, N-I-G-S-T. As, yes, as. This, T-H-I-S. Then there is a question mark and inverted commas are closed. Thought, T-H-O-U-G-S-T. Thought is the form of think. Thought, the old, thought, T-H-O-U-G-S-T, thought, the, T-H-E, the, old, O-L-D, old, Kings, K-I-N-G-S, apostrophe S. Servant, S-E-R-V-A-N-T. If you want, you can use worker here. So your first question is, what, W-H-A-T, what, kind, K-I-N-D, kind, of, O-F, of, night, N-I-G-H-T, was, W-S, was, it, I-T, it, and then you will use your question mark or you will put your question mark. Okay, answer number 1, it, 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 was, 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 scary, 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 night, nigst, night, and there, 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 was, was, a, dreadful means unpleasant, dread, dreadful, ful, full, storm, storm, storm. Question number 2, who, and here after in answer number 1, after storm you have to put full stop or you have to use full stop here. Question number 2, who, W-H-O, who, did, D-I-D, did, the, T-H, the, kings, K-I-N-G, apostrophe S, kings, servant, S-E-R-V-A-N-T, servant, C, S-E-E-C. Then question mark. Answer number 2, the, capital T, T-H-E, kings, K-I-N-G-S, kings, apostrophe S, servant, S-E-R-V-A-N-T, servant, saw, S-A-W, saw, a, princess, P-R-I-N-C-E-S-S, princess, outside, O-U-T, outside, S-I-D-E, side, the, T-H, the, gate, G-A-T-E, gate. Question number 3rd, and it's written what, so W will be your, yes, good, it should be in your capital letter, what, W-H-A-T, what, did, D-I-D, did, the, T-H, the, visitor, V-I-S-I-T-O-R, visitor, look, L-W-K, look, like, L-I-K-E, like, what did the visitor look like? Okay, means the visitor means who was knocking the door, how she was looking, how she or he was looking. This is your question. Okay, so once again we will read the question. What, W-H-A-T, W should be capital, H-A-T, what, did, D-I-D, did, the, T-H-E, the, visitor, V-I-S-I-T-O-R, visitor, look, L-W-K, look, like, L-I-K-E. So answer number 3rd, right? And the, it's written the, so your T should be in capital letter, the. Okay, try to write in cursive writing. The, T-H, the, princess, P-R-I-N-C-E-S-S, princess, P-R-I-N-C-E-S-S, princess, looked, L-W-K-E-D, L-W-K-E-D, looked, very, V-E-R-Y, very, said, S-E-D, said, full stop. Okay, and after full stop you know that your sentence, what sentence is there, then that should be in your capital letter. In which letter? Capital alphabet should be there. Okay, water. Okay, so what is your first word, right? First word, wait, just a minute. Oops. Yes, water is your first word, isn't it? And your first alphabet is W, so it should be in your capital letter. Okay, water, W-A-T-E-R, water. trickled, Trickled, down. Trickled, 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 down, 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 from FROM, from, her, 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 hair, 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 comma, use comma, okay, put comma there after hair, and, and, her, 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 close, CLOTHES, close, were, 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 wet, wet, WT, wet, and, dirty, DIRTY, dirty. Okay, once again we will look question number 3rd. So what did the visitor look like? Means who came there, who was knocking at the door, what does he or she look like? Okay, so answer number 3rd is the the princess, PRINCESS, princess looked, LOOKED, looked very, 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 sad, SED, sad, water, okay, after said put full stop, okay, use full stop, then water, water, W should be capital of water, 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 trickle, TRICKLED, trickled, down, 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 from, 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 her, 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 hair, 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 then use comma, okay, put comma here after hair, and, her, 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 close, CLOTHES, close, were, 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 wet, 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 and, dirty, DIRTY, dirty. Take a screenshot, pause the video, okay, take a screenshot, wait, okay. So once again we will go for answer number 3rd and question number 3rd. So question number 3rd is what, W should be your capital, what, WHAT, did, DIT, did, the, 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 visitor, 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 looked, LOOK, looked, like, 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 the, 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 princess, 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 looked. I have explained you earlier then that when verb comes in your answer, then it changes into your 3rd form or 2nd form, means it's okay. So looked, 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 very, 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 sad, SED, sad, full stop, after full stop it's written water, W capital of water because it is after full stop, yes, water, WATR, water, trickled, 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 down, 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 from, 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 her, 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 hair, 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 comma, and, her, 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 close, CLOTHES, close, were, 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 wet, 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 and, dry, DRY. Okay, so what we will do, we will again repeat all the questions, okay, so read the sentence and answer the questions. A number in inverted commas, now N is your capital, OW, now who could be out on such a night as this? thought the old king's servant? Question number 1. What kind of night was it? Answer number 1. It was a scary night and there was a dreadful storm. What kind of night it was? It was a scary night and there was a dreadful and unpleasant storm. Question number 2. Who did the king's servant see? Answer number 2. The king's apostrophe S. Alright. Answer number 2. The king's King apostrophe S. King's servant saw a princess outside the gate. Question number 3. What did the visitor look like? The princess. Answer number 3. The princess looked very sad. Full stop. Water trickled down from her hair and her clothes were wet and dirty. Now homework for you is learn yesterday's word meaning, question answers. Learn this. Alright, read the sentences and answer the following questions. Learn it and please find out. That is your homework. What is verb? It is your homework. Alright, please find out what is a verb. Verb spelling you can see here. Verb, V-E-R-B. Verb, it's R. Okay, this is your homework. Find out.
List show many different things. It means just now we have seen a list for the natural things and man-made things. There are many differences between the natural things and man-made things. Some of these things can move while other cannot. It means there are some animals which can move and there are mountains, moon and stars can move, but trees cannot move. Some of these things need food while others do not. It means all the man-made things do not need food and all the natural things like plant and animal need food. Some can grow while others do not grow. It means plants can grow, animal can grow, but man-made things cannot grow. Some breathe while others do not breathe. It means some things can breathe like plants, animal and human being, and some are not, like car, table, chair cannot breathe. A table, chair, pencil and clothes cannot grow. These things cannot talk or walk. Things which do not grow, move or respond. Respond means underline the hard word and write the meaning here. Respond means to act. It means to show the changes. Okay, to show the reactions. It means respond. Are not living things. How can we tell the difference between living and non-living things? It means there are some ways to difference between the living and non-living things. For some things to be called living things, it must have all the features of living things. Living things like human, animal and plants can. It means here are some characteristics which living things can follow. All living things can need. First, breathe. Living things need breathe. Take in oxygen. Breathe means inhale the oxygen and exhale the carbon dioxide. Take in food or nutrient. Take in food. Take in food means living things need food. Or nutrient. Nutrient means underline the hard word nutrients and write the meaning here. Things which are need to grow properly. Next is respond to the things around them like light and heat. It means in the presence of light and heat. Heat means underline the hard word warmth. In the light and heat they show actions or reaction with someone. Next, move. Living things can move by themselves or by the other. Next, reproduce. It means reproduce. Reproduction means again creating someone, again creating same things, or we can say have offspring like babies or grow from the seed or spore. Next, grow and change. Living things can grow day by day, and for the growing, they can show the changes in their body. Last is die. Die means underline no more. It means living things can die. What are once living things? Cut flower are once living things as they were once part of living plant. Fruits is also once living things. Fossils are remain means stay of once living animal. Dead animal or plants are also once living thing. There are many products made from living things. It means we have so many products we can made by the living things. Paper and wood were once part of the living trees. It means paper is a part of the tree. We can make paper by the tree. Milk and cheese come from animal. We can get the milk by the buffaloes and cows, and by the milk we can make cheese. Such as dairy cows, flour is produced from the wheat. We can get the flour by the wheat. Can you think of other product made from the living things? Animal, plants and human beings are living things. I have already explained animal, plants and human beings are the living things, because animal, plants and human beings, they are need food, need water, need air to breathe. That is why these are the living things. Vehicle, building, chairs, tables, bags, etc. are man-made things. Why? Because these things are created or are prepared by the man. These are non-living things. While air, water, soil, the sun and the star, etc. are natural non-living things. Why we are saying non-living? Because these are natural things, but these things cannot grow, cannot eat, cannot breathe. That is why these are the non-living, and these things created by nature. That is why these are the natural things. Characteristics means, underline the hard word, property. Okay. Properties of living things. It means what properties have living things? Living things breathe. All living things exchange gases with their environment. It means living things breathe. In the process of respiration, they take oxygen and breathe out carbon dioxide. We take in oxygen and breathe out carbon dioxide. We breathe through our nose. Many animals such as cow, buffalo, camel, tiger also breathe their nostrils. It means these animals can breathe through the nostrils. Insects like cockroaches breathe through their tiny holes. You can see the many tiny holes on the body of the skin of the cockroaches, and there are these pores help in breathing, called the spiracles. Fish breathe through the gills because fish live in the water. They cannot breathe by the lungs. Fish have gills to breathe. And plant breathe through the small opening pores called stomata. Like us, plants also need plants also need air to breathe. From where they can breathe? They can breathe through the stomata, that small tiny holes. Write the meaning of stomata: small tiny holes present in surface of the leaf. Surface of the leaf. These tiny holes called stomata. Living thing need food. All the living things need food. Food gives energy to carry out all the activities. It means all the living things need food. Food gives us energy to do some work. Animals or human beings, both need energy to doing many activities, and food give the animal energy to complete the work, to complete the activities. Plants make their own food, while animal and human being depend on the plants for food. Plants is called producer. Producer means to produce.
Good morning, class. Yesterday I explained universe, galaxies, the stars. We will start the solar system. First, take a screen shot. Okay? The solar system. Underline the word solar system. The meaning of solar system is orbits the circular path taken by some things traveling around a planet or other body in space. The solar system has the sun and all other objects in orbit around it. Underline the word orbit. The meaning of a curved path taken by a planet or another objects as it moves around another planet, star, moon, etc. Look at the picture. This is solar system. The sun is main part of the solar system, and other planet 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and other planets move around the sun. Okay, class? This line is orbit. This line. Okay? Orbit. The sun is at the center of the solar system, and is a huge ball of very hot gases. The sun is a main part of the solar system. देखिए, look at the picture. This is main part, sun. Huge ball of fire. There is also many hot gases in the sun. All planets, 8 planets हैं हमारे ये. All planets revolve around the sun at a fixed path. ये लाइन, ये जो आपकी लाइन है, हम इसको क्या कॉल करते हैं? ऑर्बिट कॉल करते हैं. और जो हर जितने भी प्लैनेट्स हैं, जितने भी 8 प्लैनेट्स हैं, वो इसी फिक्स पार्ट पे क्या करते हैं? मूविंग करते हैं. किसके चारों ओर? सन के चारों ओर. ओके. The sun is orbited by planets, moons, asteroids, comets, and other objects. Orbited, I already told you the meaning of orbited, planets, moon, asteroids. You know it? Comet. Underline the word, the meaning of comet, a heavenly body, a shooting star. A comet is a ball of gases and ice. Okay, class? And other objects. The sun is a star. The sun is a star. Sun, huge ball of fire. Okay. It contains 99.9% of the solar system's mass. The means it has a strong gravity. Strong means power. Okay, class? Powerful. Gravity means, underline the word, the meaning of gravity. Force that makes things attracted towards that earth and fall to the ground when dropped. The other objects are pulled into orbited around the sun due to this gravity. Okay, class? Why all the planets revolve around the sun? All the planets take revolves around the sun because of its gravity. Okay? Planets. I already told you the meaning of planet. You know it? Okay, class. The word planet means wanderer. Wanderer means travels aimless. Okay? Underline the word Wandera. There are 8 planets that wander. Underline the word or orbit around the sun in fixed. Underline the word path. Underline the word called orbit. Okay? There are 8 planets in the solar system that wander. Wander means, what is the meaning of wander? To walk somewhere slowly with no particular sense of direction or purpose. Or orbit around the sun in fixed. What is the meaning of fixed? Already decide. Path, a way across a piece of land that is made by, called orbit. From closest to the farthest from the sun. Okay class, closest means near, farthest means far. हमें किसके अकॉर्डिंग ये प्लैनेट्स को अरेंज करना है? क्लोजेस्ट टू farthest. These planets are Mercury. Pause, take a screenshot. Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune, as they appear in the figure of the previous page. Okay class? This picture, okay, this is previous page. The solar system. First, Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars. Okay, like this. Okay class, इसके अकॉर्डिंग में हमें नियरेस्ट टू फारदेस्ट उसको देखना है, अरेंज करना है. ओके और ये जो लाइन है, इन दिस लाइन दिस इज फिक्स्ड पाथ, और जो हमारे ऑर्बिट हैं वो इस पे मूव करते हैं, और जो हमारे प्लैनेट्स हैं वो ये जो ऑर्बिट है, ये जो फिक्स लाइन है, इस लाइन पे, ये ऑर्बिट पे वो कंटिन्यू मूव करते रहते हैं. We have already read about the planets images in the previous page. Now we will show the picture. Previous page. The first four planets are called terrestrial planets. Underline the word terrestrial. They are mostly made of rock and metal and are solid. The last four planets are called gas planets. Okay. What is the meaning of terrestrial? Relating to the earth. Terrestrial, relating to the earth. What is a terrestrial planets? Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars. These planets are terrestrial planets. Okay. They are mostly made of rock and metal and are solid. Rock means the hard. Solid metal means a type of solid substance that is usually hard and shine and that heat and electricity can travel though. Solid means hard and firm, not in the form of liquid or gas. All planets that are made from metal, solid rocks are called terrestrial planets. Okay. Last four planets are called gas planets and they are large planets. Planets have no light of their own. They reflect the light of the sun. Okay. Last four planets: Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. These four planets are called gas planets. Okay class. The planets does not have own light. It's shine with sunlight. Reflect. Underline the word reflect. The meaning of to throw back light and heat. Okay. The moons. 6 of the planets except, underline the word except, Mercury and Venus are orbited by their satellite called moons. Our Earth is also orbited by its moon. Okay class, हमारे कितने, there are 8 planets. Okay, except Mercury एंड वीनस, ये 2 प्लैनेट्स को छोड़ के हमारे जो 6 प्लैनेट्स हैं वो by their satellites called moon. Our earth is also orbited by its moon. जो हमारी अर्थ है orbited by its moon. Earth's moon. The moon is the earth natural satellite. Okay class? Natural. Underline the word natural. Satellite. Underline the word. It goes round the earth every 27.3 days. It is much smaller than the earth. The moon has no light of its own. It reflects. I already told you the meaning of reflect. You know it. The light which is received, underline the word, from the sun. Okay class? The moon is natural satellite of the earth. It moves round earth 27.3 days. Moon is a smaller than the earth. Moon does not have light of its own. It reflect means to throw back light and heat from the sun. Okay class? Light which is received from the sun. Receive means वो accept करता है. कौन accept करता है? Moon accept करता है. Remember, moon is airless. Airless means not having enough fresh air. Waterless, no water, and therefore lifeless. No life. Life is not possible without water, air, and water, air. Okay? Okay, class. Now start writing question answer. Write down these question answer in your rough notebook. Use your copy of class 2. First, write a lesson number 1. Next line, date, classwork. Long answer. Start writing question number 1. Class, neat and clean writing. Describe the solar system. Repeat again. Describe the solar system. Answer is the solar system has the sun and all other objects in orbit around it. The sun is at the center of the solar system and is a huge ball of very hot gases. Press your pencil. Write dark. The sun is orbited by planets, moons, asteroids, comets, and other objects. The sun is a star. It contains 99.9% of the solar system mass. Okay class, repeat again. Answer number 1. The solar system has the sun and all other objects in orbit around it. The sun is at the center of the solar system and is a huge ball of very hot gases. The sun is orbited by planets, moons, asteroids, comets, and other objects. The sun is a star. It contains 99.9% of the solar system's mass. Complete class? Okay. Question number 2. What is rotation? Question mark. Answer number 2. Rotation. The earth rotates or spins on its axis and completes one rotation in 24 hours or 1 days. The movement of the earth on its own axis is called rotation. The rotation causes day and night on the earth. Okay class, repeat again question number 2. Write neatly, what is rotation? Question mark. Answer number 2. Rotation. The earth rotates or spins on its axis and completes one rotation in 24 hours or 1 day. The movement of the earth on its own axis is called rotation. The rotation causes day and night on the earth. Okay class? Today's homework, write question number 1, question number 2, learn and write. Okay class? Now go to the washroom and wash your hand with soap. Be ready for the next class. Okay?